Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. Follow me if you want to learn how to make this delicious, popular Mediterranean dish, the flavorful shakshuka. Let's start by slicing in one large red onion, one large red bell pepper. I'm gonna slice it thinly. 6 large tomatoes, 5 cloves of garlic. I'm also gonna add 5 large spicy sausages. It's not a traditional ingredient, but this will elevate our shakshuka to a whole nother level. Oil the pan and onions are going in. Now let's add the tomato paste and our spices and salt. You can find the full list of ingredients in the description box below the video. We're gonna cover our pan for 5 minutes and let the tomatoes soften a little. After 5 minutes, let's go ahead and add our sugar. And let's go ahead and put our cover for another 10 minutes. This is the consistency we're looking for. Let's create little pits for the eggs to nest in and throw the eggs in. I'm gonna let the egg whites cook for about 5 minutes and then cover the pan and watch carefully not to overcook those eggs. They should be poached slightly. And that's how we get the perfect egg. The egg whites are fully cooked and the egg yolks are runny. Let's go ahead and garnish with fresh dill. And there you have it. This is a perfect dish. Aromatic, creamy, nice, soft, full of good vegetables, full of good protein. You're gonna love it. Watch that jiggle. I love serving my shakshuka with my homemade cheesy garlic bread because you gotta have something to dip in that beautiful egg. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out my next recipe.